Good morning. It's a cold and a frosty start to the day for most of us today, but there'll be more sunshine, it won't be as breezy, and there'll be fewer showers than there were yesterday. I'll have all the details coming up. So this morning, we're already seeing some blue skies. This picture taken a wee bit earlier in St Albans, where it's about 3 degrees at the moment. And the temperatures across other parts of the country are pretty low. In Perth, it's -2. Preston, it's freezing. In London, it is +5 currently. Now, what's happening today is we've got all these showers coming in along the east coast, being driven in on a brisk northerly wind. Out towards the west, we've also got some showers in Northern Ireland, Western Scotland. They'll tend to fade, but we'll hang on to them across West Wales and also Cornwall. In between all of that, we're looking at sunny spells, but that's not really going to help the temperature. We're looking at roughly 5 to about 10 degrees north to south. So as we head into the latter part of the afternoon and into the early evening, still some of those showers affecting the Isles of Scilly, Cornwall, West Wales, move inland. A lot of dry weather, clear skies, but we also have further showers across the east coast of England. Clear skies across much of Scotland and Northern Ireland at this stage. And of course, when the sun sets, the temperature is going to fall away and we're looking at a widespread frost. But out towards the west, by the end of the night, we'll have thicker cloud, rain coming in. So here it's not going to be as cold. So we start with the widespread frost, some mist and fog patches which will be slow to clear. And then through the day, the rain and the cloud push steadily eastwards. So that will have an impact on the temperatures, more especially at this stage in the west. We'll see the temperatures rise further east as temperatures are around freezing or just below. And we'll see quite a bit of sunshine today compared to recent days. It's not going to be as breezy, the showers won't be as frequent. But then from midweek onwards, it's turning much milder, but there'll be spells of wind and rain, even gales at times, across the northwest. And then into the weekend, temperatures dip just a touch. So what we have today is this ridge of high pressure across us, which is settling things down. It will also kill off some of the showers we currently have across Western Scotland and Northern Ireland, but we'll hang on to them across eastern England, 1 or 2 getting into eastern Scotland as well, coming in on this brisk northerly wind. But in between, we're looking at sunny spells. Now, some of the showers on the tops of the Grampians, for example, the Peaks, the Pennines, could well prove to be wintry, and these are our temperatures, 5 to 10 degrees. Into this evening and overnight, clear skies. As soon as the sun sets, the temperature will drop. We're looking at a widespread frost, the showers easing across the east. But then we start to see the next weather front coming in, introducing this cloud, strengthening winds and also some rain. So as a result, in the west, it's not going to be as cold. Temperatures will rise through the night, whereas for the rest of us, we're hanging on to that widespread frost. In fact, in the countryside, we could see lows -5, even -6. So we start with that tomorrow. There could also be a little bit of mist and fog around East Anglia into the southeast, for example. That will slowly lift. Then there'll be some sunshine, but already in the west, all this cloud is going to push over towards the east, accompanied by this rain and, again, a noticeable wind, especially in the west. So temperatures in the west, 9 to 11 degrees, but still we're in the cooler air further east. And you can see how that changes as we move from Wednesday into Thursday. Note how the darker amber colours spread across us. So the milder air is coming in from the Atlantic, but with it, it's bringing in some weather fronts. And if you have a look at the isobars, particularly in the northwest, well, we're looking at strengthening winds, gales, in fact, across parts of Western Scotland, and more especially with exposure. Now, on Thursday, it's going to be quite a grey day. There'll be some mist, some murk, not just in the coast and hills, and we'll also have some rain and some showers coming in. 1 or 2 brighter breaks possible in central and eastern areas, and these are our temperatures. Quite a difference across the board. We're looking at 11 to about 14 degrees. And then as we head on into Friday, our weather front will have sunk southwards. It will take its time to clear the southeast. Brighter skies follow, but another one coming in behind it's going to bring rain in across England and Wales. And behind that, we're looking at sunshine and showers. And we'll start off windy, in fact, with gales with exposure, but they'll start to moderate as we go through the day in the west. And these are our temperatures, 8 to 13 degrees. It's all topsy-turvy.
Which we don't mind. I think cold and sunny is nice.
Just around, but the sun's out. It's lovely. The gales will tend to ease. These are our temperatures, 8 to 13 degrees. Smell yours and it's really, really hungry.
We've been wolfing ours.
Huge.
You have been warned.
Yeah.